Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Caffeine and Octane again, and we're meeting a buddy of mine to check out his Mustang GT. You guys are gonna want to see this. Let's go check it out. Guys, today there's so much cool stuff going on. They're filming for the Caffeine and Octane TV show right now. You got David Patterson, Chris from SSR. They're both recording right now. We were just talking with them.
Just go down one more time.
That's cool. Pretty cool. And it's just pretty cool. Both down-to-earth people, awesome, and the cars are great as well. So we're gonna go meet up with a friend of mine here and look at the GT. I'm super excited for that too. His car is a really eye-catching color, and I'm excited to show you. We're gonna have more with him on the channel as we progress here, but a little teaser for you today. All right, guys, we're at Caffeine and Octane. I met up with a buddy of mine here. I'm gonna show you his GT, and it's pretty cool. Nice to meet you, sir, again. So today, this is your car, man. This is it. We got some B-roll coming at you right now, but this is his ride. What year is the car?
2021.
2021?
Got it in April of last year, April 2021.
All right, April.
Yeah,
so far, it looks like you've done a decent amount to it since April of last year, anyway. I see that you got some decals on there, front splitter.
Tinted out the headlight, tail light, splitter, motor intake, MBRP X-pipe, new wing on here.
I like the wing too. We were looking at that a little bit. It looks pretty sharp. And the tinted headlights look great as well. I was debating on doing that to my Mustang or not, but
I mean, it makes it look more aggressive and everything.
Yeah. Any visibility issues at night, or are you pretty good?
Well, I got a 5% tint, so I can't.
Oh yeah, I guess you can't see it.
Right, I can't see anyway, so.
That's all right, man. So what about I guess performance mods? You were saying exhaust and stuff, but
the Roush cutter intake, the MBRP exhaust. Haven't got it tuned yet.
Yeah, that's all right.
Plan on getting the stainless power headers.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna get it tuned probably.
Very cool. Yeah.
And then
I mean, shoot.
I need wider tires too. Gotta get the 275.
There you go. What are, I guess it's stock right now, so they're probably what, like
255.
255s? Okay. Yep. Well, I got two little 35s on my EcoBoost, so this thing's definitely a step up for sure. That's killer. I love it. Did you notice a difference even without tuning with the Roush intake?
Yeah, so
when you added that?
it's kind of more responsive. It feels like you know, you hit the gas and it's kind of like, you know, it's ready to go a little more.
Yeah.
That and you know, paired with the X-pipe, it's like a little bit extra performance, but it's not really, it's not crazy, but you can feel it though.
That's killer, yeah. I bet with the tune it'll open it up for sure. So that's awesome. And it's a 10-speed as well, right?
Yeah.
Nice, very cool. Very cool. So, I do like this splitter too. Check that out.
Yeah, LVA.
I like it. I'm still deciding on what I got to do with mine for the front end.
The best thing to do is when we come here, I look at other Mustangs.
Yes, I do the same.
You know, like, what do they have on their car that I want?
Yep. What do I need to put on my shopping list for next week? That's what I do. But very cool, man. Well, definitely check out this guy's Instagram account if you guys want.
Got it right here too.
Yeah, let's get a shot of that. Very cool. I appreciate you showing me the ride, man, a little bit. It's very cool. Maybe we'll feature him on the channel again and a little bit more in depth on the car, but very cool. Let's check out the rest of the show. Thanks again, man. thing out. Holy wow. You could take on the zombie apocalypse or something like this. Megan, imagine you rolling up to work in one of these.
And then little me stumbles out of there.
Yeah.
That would be
there
something.
You go. That would be something. All right, guys. Well, that was the show. It was super cool. Got to obviously show off that really awesome Mustang GT to you guys. There'll be more on that in the future, I'm sure. And another cool thing was actually seeing David Patterson from the That Dude in Blue YouTube channel. I actually met him the other night as well at the Caffeine Octane first ever drift event on Friday nights at the Lanier Race Complex. We spoke for like an hour and I was super impressed by that actually. Super down-to-earth guy, awesome. Hopefully I can meet him again. And yeah, but I think now I want to give you guys just a quick little update on the Mustang because unfortunately we're back to kind of a stock look. I'll show you what I mean. All right guys, so here it is, right there. I don't even gotta tell you. We're back to the stock wheels, stock looking wheels. Unfortunately, the hyper dip completely failed. I had to take the car through a car wash the other day on the way back from our Florida trip, and the brushes must have got it. It kind of peeled up. We were already having issues with it in the back. You know, I made that previous video on it, but it just looked terrible. So the other night, I just started peeling it off, and we are back to the stock wheels. So it's bugging me a little bit. I definitely want to get new rims and tires at some point. Put a comment down below. What do you think you would like to see on the car? I'm thinking 20s. I like the RTR style, the RTR Tech 7s. They're kind of pricey, so if you guys have another option, let me know, and I'm happy to check it out. But that's what it looks like right now. It's super dirty, but we're back to the stock look of 18s. So it is what it is. We will change it at some point in time, and I'm going blind with the sun right there. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for taking along with this video. I upload at least once a week. You guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.